Good morning, everybody. It's Denise here, from My Country Garden, and let your creativity shine. So today is July the 11th, and I just noticing that I got some more green beans to pick. Been harvesting green beans, some yellow beans. So today, what we're going to be doing is I started some more peas and beans to plant, and we're going to plant them this morning. There's a little bit too much water in here. Let me switch you around. See, this is what we're planting today. Those are beans. So we got the green and the yellow, and then the peas. These are different peas. I think I got different ones. And then also, let's check this out and see. Move this out of the way. See if I can get this opened. These, we had bought some cherries from a local farmer. And I just thought, well, let's see if we can get them to go. Yeah, they're not doing anything yet, so I'm going to leave those for now. So let's get these guys planted. I'm going to get the weeds out. Well, it's not working. So let's put a bean here. Okay. Another one here. So we got these, I believe these dark ones are the brown or the green beans. And then the white ones, I think, are the yellow beans. We'll do a row of those. Right? Okay. The next one is a row of the white. So yeah, I don't know if these will germinate because they've been sitting in the water too long. Pretty soft. I might have to start some new ones for those. I'm thinking. That's okay. Yeah, those are pretty. Okay, let's get the peas in. These I'm just gonna put them in. Yeah. I'm just gonna put them in anywhere and see if they come up because they're pretty soft. They're soaked in the water too long. So we'll see. Those together like that. Yeah, these are pretty soft. Let's put that one there. Okay, that's it. Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me. My goal is still to reach all those views, 3,000 views, watch time hours, and 1,000 subscribers. So let's get this done. And see that nice little design behind me on my head there? I got some announcements coming up for that area of my channel. So stay tuned. Bye for now. Let your creativity shine.